Welcome viewers, in this video we will see the introduction about the synchronous motor. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notifications. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Now we'll go to the topic. Synchronous motor is a device which converts electrical energy into mechanical energy by running at synchronous speed. So we know that motor, any type of motor converts electrical energy into mechanical energy. When the supply is given, it will start rotates. In synchronous motor, it is running at synchronous speed, constant speed. That's why it is called a synchronous motor. Otherwise, it will not rotate. So always rotate at synchronous speed. It is similar in construction to that of alternator, but in synchronous motor, three-phase AC supply is given to the stator winding. So we know that alternator is a synchronous generator. So construction is somewhat similar. Only thing is three-phase supply is here given to the stator winding. Right. Now we'll see the characteristics of the synchronous motor. Synchronous motor runs either at synchronous speed or not at all. So it will rotate always in a synchronous speed. Otherwise it will not rotate. The speed can be changed only by changing frequency. By changing the frequency we can able to change the speed. By changing voltage not possible. Okay, only in changing the frequency we can change the speed. It is not inherently self-starting. It has to be run up to synchronous or near synchronous speed by some means. By having the some other arrangement, we need to rotate the machine up to synchronous speed. It can operate under a wide range of power factor, both lagging and leading. Both lagging and leading we can operate the motor. When the motor is overloaded, it will stop. So that is called a synchronous motor. If it is overloaded, it will not rotate, it will stop. Now we will see the advantages and disadvantages of the synchronous motor. First we will see the advantages of synchronous motor. This motor can be used for power factor correction in addition to the supplying torque to the device. So it will normally used for power factor correction. So with that we know that it is for torque device, supplying torque. It will withstand the given torque. In addition, it will go for power factor correction. They are more efficient than induction motor. We know that induction motor, when it is loaded, the speed keep on decreases. But here the speed will be always synchronous speed. So that the efficiency is more. They give constant speed from no load to full load. It's a main advantage. From no load to full load, we have constant speed. Electromagnetic power varies linearly with the voltage. Right? Based on the voltage, electromagnetic power is linearly varied. Now we'll see the disadvantages of the synchronous motor. They require DC excitation. So the DC excitation is required, so that we need a brushes, copper, everything, the sparking, everything will occur because of excitation. They have tendency to hurt. So they cannot be used for variable speed job, as speed adjustment cannot be done. So the main advantage of synchronous motor is constant speed. In some application, if you need a variable speed, then we cannot use this motor. They require collector rings and brushes. Because of excitation, we need collector ring and brushes. They cannot be started under load. Their starting torque is 0. So under load we cannot start, because starting torque is 0. They may fall out the synchronism and stop when overloaded. So during an application, suppose it is overloaded, it will be stop. It will stop. The motor will stop. Right. So the main advantage is synchronous speed, constant speed. At the same time, if any application where we need variable adjustable speed, that cannot be used. And another thing is overloaded. When it is overloaded, it will stop. Then DC excitation is needed. So thereby we need collector rings and brushes are there. So the friction will be there and sparking will occur. So in this video we discuss introduction about the synchronous motor. then characteristics, followed by application, and followed by advantages and disadvantages. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notifications. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Thank you for listening. All the best for your examination.